Hey everyone, my name is Ashley and today we are going to be making a Keto Fathead Pizza. So the reason why I decided to approach a Fathead Pizza is because I did try making a cauliflower pizza a few months ago before I started keto and I wasn't a fan of it. I did not like the eggy flavor and it tasted like egg and it had a texture like egg, and so I just decided to just scrap the project of doing cauliflower pizza. I did do some research online and I did find a recipe that I was okay with, so I did want to go ahead and just share that with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So the materials that you are going to be needing include a baking sheet or a pizza sheet, 2 sheets of parchment paper, a fork, a bowl for mixing, a pin for spreading the dough, and a cheese grater. Now let's go ahead and talk about the materials we're gonna need to make the crust. So the very first ingredient you are gonna be needing is 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of almond flour, a 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. Although it's not required, you can definitely put garlic powder and Italian seasoning. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and talk about the toppings that we're going to be using for today's pizza. For the toppings, I went ahead and used Rao's homemade marinara sauce, but you can definitely use any type of unsweetened tomato sauce. About a 1/2 cup of cheese, unless you want more. 16 pepperonis, or more or less, whichever you like is okay. Alright, so we added our mozzarella cheese and our cream cheese together, and now we're going to go ahead and throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So we took out our mozzarella cheese and our cream cheese out of the microwave, and now we're gonna go ahead and mix the ingredients together. Alright, so we are mixing our dough together, but it is a little bit sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of almond flour, okay? And there you go, that is our roll of dough. So now we're going to go ahead and add our dough to the parchment paper and make our crust. So we are done now making our pizza crust in the best circle that we can. So now that we have shaped our crust, we are going to go ahead and add holes to our crust to prevent bubbling. So we finished putting holes in our crust, and we're going to go ahead and put a little bit more Italian seasoning and throw it in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 minutes or until golden brown. So we went ahead and took out our crust from the oven, and we are ready to put on some toppings. And now we're going to go ahead and bake our pepperoni pizza for 6 minutes. So now we are done cooking our pizza, and now let's go ahead and cut it into 8 pieces. And there you have it, a delicious looking saucy fathead pizza. So there are 8 servings in this whole pizza, and 1 pizza equals 3 net carbs. So we are done cutting our pizza, and let's go ahead and try it. Not too bad. I think this pizza is pretty good, way better than the cauliflower pizza. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you have any other suggestions, tips on how to make this pizza better, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Bye guys.